Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good time to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Thank you very much for giving us a great opportunity to say something about myself. Now I would like to introduce myself. This is Yasin Arafat in front of you. I am from Madaripur at Ramchandpur in Kalkini. Currently I am 19 years old. I am a student of class inter first year. The name of my madrasa Uttar Ramchandpur Fazil Degree Madrasa. I want to be an Islamic scholar in my future. My father name is Nijamuddin. He is a producer. My mother name is Yasminara. She is a housewife. We are 5 members in our family. I have one brother and one sister. I am first child of my parents. I am a sports lover, but my favorite game is cricket. I like to read motivational book, recite the Holy Quran. I enjoy traveling, gardening, swimming. I don't like smoking, wasting time. I also don't like dishonest and addicted people. My idol person is the Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I always try to follow him. Thank you. Thank you so much for listening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.